Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we'll be replacing the batteries for this key fob. So this is for Nissan Rogue 2015, and I think this would be the same procedure for that generation of Nissan Rogues. So that would be like 2014 or 2010 to 2018. So yeah, easy procedure. What you need to do is just turn this thing, or just swipe this thing up, this part over here, swipe it up, take this actual key off, pull it out, and inside here, over here, that's where you can pivot to open up this or split it into two. So I got this tiny little flat screwdriver that I can use to get myself inside. So that's it. So it's open. So go through, run it through, kind of separate the two, and once you have some wiggle room, just open it up. So there you go. Once you have it open, take the battery off. Same thing, just pivot somewhere on the side, take it out. There we have it. So this is the CR2032, and we have them all here. The new ones here. So get one out. There is a new battery. You slide it in, this side down. Once you have it all the way in, put it back. Start from the front side. Just press it. Put this back inside, and there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and leave a comment. Ciao.